Hello guys, welcome back to Elan App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Moon Valley AI. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you actually use Moon Valley AI? Well, it's actually pretty easy, but we have to basic access a few things here to fully use Moon Valley. Now, if you're not aware yet, Moon Valley is a software or a system that actually allows you to generate videos via an AI that actually converts your text into videos, which is something really cool. Like for example, if you want to make a mini movie or a short animation of something moving, you could actually use their following system here. Now in this case, how do we actually use it? So go to the official website, which is going to be Moon Valley AI, and from here just click on the try the beta option. Now from here, it's going to redirect you to Discord here. So it's actually recommended that you have a Discord account. So if you don't have a Discord account, you could go to google.com, search for discord.com, download Discord, and create your account. So yeah, I'm assuming that you already have your Discord account here, but once you have it, it should pop up in your screen here. It says join Moon Valley here. Just click on join Moon Valley and you should be able to join their server. Now in this case, it's going to load up, so let's just wait for it. So it's going to ask you, how did you find us? So maybe I want to say maybe on YouTube. So in this case, just click on next, and from here it's going to say, have you used AI before? Just click on yes here if yes, and no if no. Now would you like notifications? So yes if you want the latest announcements, or no if you don't want to. Let's click on next, and from here, are you a prompt expert? So if you know how AI actually works, so depending on how you actually enter your prompt, the prompts that you enter, it's going to actually make your outputs a lot more detailed. So the more better you are in entering your prompts, the better the output is. But for now, I'm going to enter no here since I'm not that good. Just click on next, and from here just click on finish. But also they have the server rules here, so make sure that you read their server rules to avoid getting kicked out from the server itself. So in this case, just click on the finish option here, and from here you should be able to, you should be able to see their server. Now in this case, how do we actually start using them? Now in this case, if you actually go to the following section here, in this case is New Moon Creators. So you could go ahead and click on one of the new moons here, and you should be able to see the following option here. Now in the servers, you should be able to see different creations from different people. As you can see, you have the prompt text here, the image animation, camera mode, zoom out, and prompt ID. So it will actually mention as well who actually created this one, so that we'll be able to be informed that their creation has now been created. Now, as you can see, depending on what you enter on your prompt here, like for someone's text, the demon with wings stands on ground, fire in background. As you can see, it actually got that specific detail there. As you can see, it's a very, very short animation. It's 1 second because the duration is going to be short. So the longest time or duration that you can actually do here is going to be 5 seconds, which is still very short. But with how the system is actually fairly new, this is the best thing that we can do right now. Now in this case, how do you create yours? So go to the message section here. So just type in the following, so /create, and from here choose this option here that says create. Now it should pop up here, so we need to enter our prompt. So maybe we want to create a animation of a cat. So let's just say a cat going on an adventure in the woods. Now here we also need to choose a style, so go ahead and click on the style section here, and you have the following options. So you have comic book, fantasy, anime, manga, realism, or 3D animation. So maybe I want to choose 3D animation here, and we also have the duration. So currently we have the short, the medium, and the long. So maybe you want to use the long here. So in this case, you also have the following options here. So if you want to use image, camera, model version, negative prompt, seed. So maybe if you want to upload a reference image, you could go ahead and choose image here. Or if you want to do that, you could go ahead. But if you're satisfied, you could go ahead and just press on enter here, and it should actually send that. So it's going to say we're working on your video, we'll notify you when it's actually ready. So currently it's not going to be immediate, but the good thing here is you just need to wait for them to actually generate your video. Now they would actually mention you, as you can see right now. People, this system actually mentions them on this specific creation, as you can see. So if you want to, while you are actually waiting for your video to be created, you could go ahead and just view all the videos and beautiful creations that they have right now. So as you can see, we have the this one here. We also have this one, just a cute animation here of a kid moving around. As you can see, you also have this 3D animation here as well, with a guy with a green jacket here that seems to have two hoodies on. And yeah, an angry 3D animated person here as well. Now in this case, again, the creation process is not going to be immediate. You need to wait for a few minutes. So since we chose the long here, typically it's going to take around 8 to 12 minutes. So in this case, just wait for it, and usually they would actually notify you and mention you when your creation is actually being posted into this specific text channel here. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan App. Thank you for watching.